March, the Museum of Science and Industry hosted National Science and Engineering Week. The University of Salford team created an exhibition to celebrate 40 years of the Internet. Nigel Linge explains.
This week is National Science and Engineering Week, so this is one of the activities we're putting on to try to encourage more people to take an interest in science and engineering. We decided to celebrate the 40th anniversary of the Internet. The Internet began life as a network called ARPANET in 1969, so 40 years on we're celebrating the achievements of the development of the Internet over that time. Part of the Connected Earth exhibit includes a film made by BT in 1969, the year of the birth of the Internet. This film attempted a prediction, somewhat tongue-in-cheek it has to be said, of what life would be like in the 1990s.
I'll see you tonight then.
Yes, all right. No, I said I'd come, didn't I?
Wish I could see you now.
Well, you can't, can you? You just have to wait.
But supposing the telephone could provide vision as well as sound, then he could see her now. Wouldn't that be better?
Yes, marvellous.
We've got a few demonstrations here showing the Internet, so we have video conferencing over the Internet, and we also have a company called iWiMAX that is demonstrating the latest generation of high bandwidth wireless broadband access for people who want to use Internet from the home. We're also fortunate to be able to provide a special evening opening of the Connecting Manchester Communications Gallery here at the Museum of Science and Industry as part of National Science Engineering Week. The gallery highlights the importance of Manchester in the development of communications and also the evolution of telecommunications technology. We've got in here an exhibition that not only talks about telecommunications but also the home computer, and it was really having a computer in the home which was one of the major driving forces for people to want access to the Internet. So we're celebrating the birth of the home computer as well, with examples of Sinclair Spectrums and Commodore 64s and Dragon 32s, because when the computer got in the home, that really started making people want to use machines and then connect them together. If you think about 1969 when it started, computers were huge machines. Most people had never heard of the Internet, let alone even thought about using it. Now, 40 years on, it's almost the first port of call for many, and 22% of the world's population, which is about 1.5 billion people, are now regular Internet users. I think that's a tremendous success in that short period of time. What we're trying to do here is get people enthusiastic and interested in science and engineering. And given that at the University of Salford we want to recruit students into our degree courses in those areas, if we can get them young and captivate them for the excitement and interest in the subject, hopefully they'll come and join us and do a degree when they're of the right age. We're playing very much the long game here. Get them young, get them enthusiastic about science and engineering, and they will then continue that through to university. That's the plan we have. The museum is quite busy today, so we've already had 300 or 400 people through the exhibition in basically just about 2.5 hours of opening. We're here for the full weekend, so we're probably going to do 1,500 to 2,000 people over the weekend, so we're going to be pretty busy.